When using Next.js, if you import a server component into a client component, then it becomes a client component by default. Reason being is because client components are actually rendered first before the server component, and that would require a new request to the server if you imported that server component into your client component. However, you can pass a server component as a child prop into your client component. This will allow them to be rendered separately and not rely on one another. The client component will take in the children as a prop, which will be the server component that is being wrapped by that client component. A great real-world example of when you have to wrap server components with a client component is when you use providers. So when using React's context hook provider, that file must be marked as a use client directive since it is using a React hook, but you can still pass in the server component as a child to that wrapping client component.